Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedrian. Bounty Killer is setting the record straight following rumors that he has been diagnosed with cancer. In a social media post, the Grungod rubbished the claim, saying he does not have cancer. He also urged members of the public to refrain from spreading misinformation. He went on to say it is embarrassing how quickly people jump to conclusions when someone has a minor illness. He ended by saying he is not sure where the source of the information is from, but he has not been diagnosed with cancer. Rick Ross name drops Vybz Cartel as his pick for the World Cup halftime show. The multi-Grammy nominated rapper name dropped the world boss while speaking recently on the Late Run podcast.
What is one act you would want to see perform at the World Cup final?
Let's bring Vybz Cartel out.
Ooh, we gotta run the vibes.
That's a good one. Big belly rude boy, true thing this. Me not smoke backward, me only smoke forward, you see.
You done know,
one big plate of bully beef, you see.
This year, FIFA will host its first ever halftime show with Coldplay as the headlining act. The band will also help to select a list of artists to perform. The tournament, which will be co-hosted by the United States, Canada and Mexico, will conclude with the final on the 19th of July at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey. Buju Banton finds himself yet again in the middle of controversy, this time with Wender. The 1993 track Murderer appears to have caused the two reggae veterans to butt heads over ownership. In a post on Wender's Facebook page, it states that the track was written by Wayne, Frankie and Buju in Japan in 1992. However, the Gargamel quickly dismissed the claim, even calling out Wayne's wife.
I can't replicate it, because I never write it. Remember when I got prison, you tell me, say, I envy your man, because I said myself a prisoner, your man a superstar. Your man never no superstar. Well, we are work together as youths.
Wayne later responded with a photo of a vinyl record showing both himself and Buju credited on the track. The feud stems from an interview Buju did on Queen's Flip, which Wender responded to via Facebook, referring to the Grammy-winning artist as a demon. He alleges that a few months ago, a company sought to license the song for a film, and that is when his team discovered he was no longer listed as a writer on the track following Buju's record deal in 1995. It also states that for over 30 years, royalties connected to Murderer were only collected by Buju. On the international scene, Kaani announces her self-titled fifth album. Now, the album is set for release on the 24th of April and follows 2024's Crash. Early this month, the R&B singer said on social media that the album was complete and had been mastered. According to a release, the self-titled project captures her at her most honest, blending soul-bearing storytelling with the lush, genre-bending sound that has made her one of modern R&B's most influential voices. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.